All right, welcome back. It is Thursday, and that means we have Chef Anthony here in studio, and we are talking about pies for the holidays today.
Yes, with the holidays coming, now's the time to start thinking about pies. Thanksgiving is not very far away.
No, and sometimes you just have so much on your plate. You want that homemade taste at Thanksgiving, but you just don't have time.
Exactly. So Simon Market has these wonderful new pies. They're made right here in Kansas in New Strawn, and they're absolutely wonderful. They have Thorny cream pies. This one is chocolate peanut butter.
What?
Yes.
Chocolate peanut butter with whipped topping. Oh my goodness.
That is my absolute favorite pie.
And you brought my favorite. Did you know this was my favorite?
I have my sources.
Oh my goodness. It's a strawberry rhubarb.
And a strawberry rhubarb take and bake. 350 in the oven. Be ready to rock and roll.
Okay.
Super simple, super easy to do. And they have pumpkin, and they have cherry, they have peach, they have lemon, whatever you want. They pretty much have them in. He has a huge assortment of them, and their price it's incredible.
And they're made in Kansas.
Yes, they're made not far from here. So as always, I try to bring things that are local to the area and help our local businesses, our local farmers and things of that sort. And this is just right up that alley.
Nice.
So it's
a lot of variety.
Oh yes, lots of different varieties, and they're not very expensive. So go in, place your order for your pie, or just go in and pick one up and try it this weekend, whatever you want, and you'll be happy. I've tried these. These are so good. I can't help myself. So, but that one is actually yours.
Oh, thank you.
So, but I'm super excited. It's been a busy week. How was yours?
I'm very busy too. Yeah, very busy. But I understand, and one of my children actually participated because he met his reading goals this week. He got to go to something called SFA Cafe, and it was hosted by Pittsburgh High School culinary students.
So SFA Cafe is Success for All. It's a reading program where the students are rewarded if they reach 80% of their goals, and they get to go in. This particular one was done at Westside Elementary, and the teachers serve them. They do an Italian dinner for them. They get the lights turned down low. They get fancy tablecloth.
He said he had spaghetti yesterday.
Oh yes, it was wonderful. And we made cupcakes from scratch for them, and they even made the icing and decorated everything up for them. And I sent students to go and serve. So they get an opportunity to experience, my students get an opportunity to experience what it's like for these young students to celebrate and then to enjoy their product. And it's wonderful that everybody gets a little bit of everything all the way through.
That's pretty sweet.
We do it 3 times. We did it Tuesday, Wednesday, and we're doing it again today. So it's a wonderful opportunity for my students. I've never been so happy for them.
That's really cool. That is really cool. Yeah, a lot of fun.
Oh yes, I'm excited.
Okay, well, pretty fun. You guys have a competition coming up still?
We have our baking competition coming up
very soon.
November 5th. If you're a middle school, high school, or a teacher at any of the schools, you can find the link either at the high school. You can email me directly at the school. It's November 5th, 10 a.m. Bread or dessert.
Mm-hmm. You can make a pie.
Yes, make a pie. Bring it in and show it off.
Do you need to provide the recipe that you use?
You need to bring your recipe with you so that we can make sure that you made it or that it was made at home. Because I have some students who are like, well, what if I make it with grandma? That's great. Let me know, because that's part of what culinary is. My culinary program is, it's working with family, it's enjoying food, and learning from somebody who does it on a regular basis or does it in the past creates new memories for you.
That's true. Yeah.
So it makes for a wonderful event.
But don't watch them do it and turn that in as yours.
Correct. Work with them inside of it and enjoy it that way. Like today, yesterday we made almost 100 pineapple upside down cakes, mini pineapple upside down cakes. The very same ones that we'll be having in our next segment.
I'm looking forward to this. So we're going to be making pineapple upside down cakes.
We're going to be making a pineapple upside down cake.
All right, that sounds exciting. And on that note, we're going to go ahead and go to break. And if you want to stick around and find out how we make these pineapple upside down cakes, make sure you switch on over with us on KYM Morning News on Fox 14. We'll be right back.